What is the algorithm? An algorithm is a way to achieve a goal or solve a specific problem. We can also define problems as a step-by-step solution process. Although commonly known as a set of finite operations used in mathematics and programming language, we often resort to the algorithm to solve problems in our daily lives. For example, when giving directions to someone or cooking, we need to follow what is said step by step. Actually, the algorithm starts right here. By following the recipes, we go step by step and achieve our goal. Definitions such as enter the first right used in directions, take the pastry left behind or fry the onions until they turn pink in the recipe, add tomato paste and hot water on them are a simple example of an algorithm. What does the algorithm do? The main reason for the algorithm's existence is to solve the problems encountered. Devices such as computers, smartphones, robots, which have become an important part of our lives with the development of technology, are programmed through algorithms. Algorithms help computers solve problems that they face in programming, just as people solve problems in everyday life. In the same way, social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, which are used in smartphones, are created based on basic algorithms. The reason these platforms are constantly updated is the development of algorithms implemented in the background. Developing algorithms is sometimes considered necessary, and sometimes necessary to deliver better performance. Ads that we see on social media platforms or on many websites, or ads in the language of the programmer, appear through algorithms created. These algorithms are encoded according to the selected target audience, and we often encounter ads that are of interest to us. For example, when we search for flights to Berlin, we often see ads on this topic. The algorithm can sometimes be ridiculous. Sometimes the algorithm is ridiculous, and even if we buy a plane ticket to Berlin, it continues to show similar ads for months. Or let's go through the computer. Even if we do our research and buy a computer, the algorithm still shows us special computer ads, thinking that we need a computer. At the moment, this type of algorithms has certain shortcomings. As algorithms, software, and encodings gradually settle into our lives, we need to be aware of the benefits and dangers of all these in the age of artificial intelligence. In the future, we can define all these concepts as tools that know our past and appear in all areas of our lives. Therefore, we must also be aware of the potential dangers.